Today's a rainy day. I like days like this. I'm thinking back to a problem we solved recently. It helps us understand why chaos is useful. We learned that you can use it to your advantage in quantum information problems. So chaos is good. The answer we got at the end was really simple. And the simpler a theory is, the more beautiful it looks. Almost like you were meant to find it. So I love this problem. We're trying to get it published now. We've been having a lot of meetings these past few weeks to prepare to submit it to a journal. So I've been having a lot of discussions with my advisor and my collaborator. We usually meet in my advisor's office. It's always fun. Solving this problem was like putting a puzzle together. Sometimes, you have a feeling in your gut that the puzzle has a solution. But you're not always sure. So you convince yourself that you just have to find the right pieces. And if you get all the pieces, you can take a step back and look at what you made. And I'm pretty happy with what we made. Now the problem's solved, but I want to keep having fun. So now I'm working on the next problem. I just hope it's as exciting as the last one.